Exercise 2.2. Find x in the following figures. This is first bit. This is the figure they gave. ABC triangle is there, and outside of the triangle one exterior angle 123 degrees is there. Here ABC is a triangle, and for that ABC triangle 123 degrees is an exterior angle of the triangle ABC. Here we know one interior angle of the triangle 56 degrees, and we have to find this x value. So one interior angle of the triangle is 56 degrees and one exterior angle is 123 degrees. By using one formula we have to solve this problem. So here we know exterior angle of the triangle. So exterior angle of a triangle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. We have one formula. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite of this exterior angle, opposite interior angles, sum of these two opposite interior angles. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Here exterior angle is 123 degrees. Interior angle is 56 and one more interior angle is x. So 123 degrees equal to 56 plus x. Here we want only x value. That's why we are transposing this 56 to opposite side of the equal to. So here 56 is plus 56. When we transpose plus value to opposite side of the equal to, it will change as a negative. So 123 minus 56 is equal to x. 123 minus 56 equal to 67 degrees equal to x. X equal to 67 degrees. This is how we have to solve the problem. Just we have used only one simple formula. Exterior angle of the given triangle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Next problem. Here also one triangle PQR is there. Here they gave three interior angles of the triangle. One angle is 45 degrees, one angle is 68 degrees, and other angle is 3x plus 16 degrees. Here we have to find x value. How to find x value? Here we know all three angles. So here we use another formula. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of all these three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So we have to add those three angles. One angle is 45 degrees, another angle is 68 degrees, and third angle is 3x plus 16 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 45 plus 68 plus 16 equal to 129 plus 3x. We added all three constant values plus 3x equal to 180. We want x value. That's why we will keep 3x here and we will transpose this 129 to opposite side. So it will change as negative. 3x equal to 180 minus 129 equal to 51. We want only x value. So transpose this 3 to opposite side. This is in multiplication. When we transpose, it will change as a division. Or here this is a numerator. When we transpose to opposite side, it will change as a denominator. 3 table, 3 ones, 3 17s. So here x equal to 17 degrees centigrade. 17 here. So here x equal to 17 degrees. Third bit. This is the given diagram. Triangle ABC. Here also they gave three angles. One angle is x degrees. We have to find x value. Here also we use the same formula. Sum of all angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. So sum of all three angles equal to 180. If we simplify this one, we will get x equal to 125 degrees. Next bit, fourth bit. Fourth bit, this is the given triangle XYZ. Here, see these lines. That means these two sides are equal. So here two sides are equal. So the given triangle is isosceles triangle. So in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So opposite angles of these sides also equal in isosceles triangle. So opposite angle of this side is 45 and opposite angle of this side is 2x plus 7. So opposite angles of two equal sides also equal. We are using that formula. So 2x, here xy is equal to xz. Two sides are equal. That's why angle y equal to angle z. So two angles also equal. One angle is 2x plus 7 equal to another angle is 45. 2x plus 7 equal to 45. When we simplify this, we will get x equal to 19 degrees. Fifth bit. This is the given diagram. So here we have two triangles. AOB is one triangle and COD another triangle. Here we have two triangles. So see these lines. So this is also isosceles triangle. AB equal to AO. So here opposite angles of these two sides, these two also equal. That means this also 3x plus 10. This angle also 3x plus 10 plus 10. See here these two angles, vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are also equal. So this angle also 3x plus 10. This angle is 3x plus 10 and we have 2x angle and we don't know this angle. Here we have to find x value. See this triangle also OCD. These two sides are equal. So opposite angles of these two sides means this angle and this angle are equal. These two are equal sides. So these two angles are also equal. So this angle is 3x plus 10. That means this angle also 3x plus 10. Now by using this triangle OCD, we know three angles. Here we use sum of all interior angles equal to 180 degrees. We use here and we will solve the problem. So here AB equal to AO. AB equal to AO. So definitely angle B equal to angle O. And again angle BOA and angle COD are vertically opposite angles. So these two angles also equal. Sum of all angles equal to 180 degrees. So what are all our three angles? 3x plus 10, 3x plus 10 and 2x. So if we add these three angles, we should get 180 degrees. By using this formula, we have to solve this problem.